congratulate you on being part of the first Big Ideas Wales Challenge Bootcamp ever.
Sometimes you can learn from others, but the best way to learn is just to start something yourself. Take in advice, choose which works for you and make your own mistakes.
It's been a brilliant weekend. I've learned so much and met so many entrepreneurs, and now I feel ready to go out and start my mission.
This business type X factor has worked absolutely spot on. And with enthusiastic young people who were nervous, trepidatious, and all of a sudden this thing was coming alive, and we had some expectations of getting everybody into business, and we've actually achieved the start of that.
Bootcamp was excellent. We've never had an opportunity like this before, so being able to have something like this where we can come and be with entrepreneurs such as the people here is pretty priceless.
And I think that taking risks isn't the scary bit, or isn't the difficult bit. It's how you deal with knocks.
I think the bootcamp weekend has gone really well. It's been absolutely amazing. I would recommend this experience to anyone.
So this weekend has been absolutely immense. The entrepreneurial spirit's been through the roof. I think these are just the kind of events that we should be doing more and more of in Wales to get the young entrepreneurs of tomorrow through the ranks, coming through, learning from the entrepreneurs of today, bringing through the business leaders of tomorrow, and helping them to achieve their goals and dreams so that we can keep the Welsh economy going up and up.
The next step will be to, the next 90 days and the next 3 months, to really look at the strategic plan and focus on that, and hopefully, just strive for the next goal that I have.
It's been the most thrilling, inspiring weekend, and I think we need more of this.